In this video, I'm gonna show you how you can color a certain image, a certain portion of an image in Krita. So I have an image here as an example, and let's say I want to color this man with a blue shirt. And normally you would go here, select the brush, and let's just color him with the red with the green color. So if you want to select this, you could adjust this and just color him like this. You clearly see you can make a lot of mistakes if you want to color him this way because it's not accurate. So the best way to do it with accuracy is first by clicking on this polygon selection tool, and then now you want to accurately select the man. So here I will start by selecting him here, just like this. Okay, and just select this part here. And then here. I'm gonna select it this way. Okay, now I'm just gonna connect the points. As you can see, I clearly selected just the man here. After you have this selected, you can go here to the same paint brush and choose your color. And here you should be able to easily color without making any mistakes. As you can see, I'm only coloring him, and I'm accurately coloring him with absolutely no mistakes. Now, no matter how much okay, there you go, as you can see. And then you could just deselect this by clicking select, deselect. As you can see, now you accurately selected and colored a portion of an image. This is a better way to color a portion of an image. If you found this video helpful, please don't forget to leave a like and subscribe.